For the graph of this, first, we graph the line x minus 2y equals 4. We'll graph that first. Because I have less than or equal to up here, I'll put it as a solid line. For this graph, I want to find the intercepts. Find the intercepts. So the x-intercept, I'll put y equal to 0. I get x minus 2 times 0 equals 4. X minus 0 is 4. X minus 0 is x. X equals 4. X-intercept, 4 comma 0. The y-intercept is next. For the y-intercept, x equals 0. So this will give me 0 minus 2y equals 4. 0 minus 2y is negative 2y. Negative 2y equals 4. Divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2y over negative 2 is 4 over negative 2. Y equals negative 2. The y-intercept is 0 comma negative 2. I'll put those 2 points on the grid. Four, 0, 4 on the x-axis, 0, negative 2, mark negative 2 on the y-axis. And then with my straight edge, I'm going to put in a solid line. Next to that line, I'm going to write, this line is x minus 2y equals 4. Every pair of points on this line works in that equation. For example, I did not plot this one, but 2 comma negative 1 makes that equation true. Every point on the line is equal. Now here's what you need to kind of realize about this section. This splits all the other points. Well, it splits it into 2 half planes. That's the answer to number 2, somebody who wrote in number 2. So the line splits all the other points into 2 half planes. I'm going to shade them in to show the 2 half planes, but my shading is not my answer right here. I am just talking about what a half plane is. One of them would be up here, and the other half plane would be below. The thing about the 2 half planes, I had this inequality. It was x minus 2y is less than or equal to 4. The points on one side of the half plane or always true or always false? So either true or false. They're all the same in the yellow region. If the yellow region is true, the pink region is false. And if vice versa. So I'll write here, this is either true or false. This side the same, true or false. If the yellow is true, the pink is false. If the yellow is false, the pink is true. So what we will do is pick a point. You can pick more than 1 point, but pick at least 1 point so that you can determine what's going on there. Pick a point like 0, 0. And we'll plug that in. So my problem was x minus 2y is less than or equal to 4. So that would be 0 minus 2 times 0 is less than or equal to 4. This gives me 0 is less than or equal to 4. Now, you have to ask the question, is that true or false? True or false? That is true. So the side I want to shade is the true side. I'll grab a different color. My answer would be the blue part right here.